purple, pink, and gold. Rainbow colors bright and bold. Colors in the sky so wide, shining like a fun-filled ride. Let's all sing and we'll explore the rainbow's colors, there's so much more. Red is for the apples on the tree, yellow for the sun so bright to see. Blue is for the ocean deep and wide, green is for the grass we stride.